Welcome to JK or Spring Breeze. Today we are going to see about conditional class. Let's go to the topic conditional class. Conditional class is also called as if class. It comes before or after main class. Okay, conditional classes comes after, before or after the main class. Main class means that is a normal sentence with subject, verb, object. It is main class. So here there are three types of conditional class: probable, improbable, impossible. So there are three types of conditional classes. Another type is also called zero conditional class. Okay. Another type is also called as zero conditional class. Today we are going to see about these three types and also the zero conditional classes in this video. So see, I have given some rules to change the conditional classes. Here, probable condition, improbable, impossible. Three types now. So probable condition, the sentence will be in simple present tense. Okay, in probable condition, the sentence will be in simple present tense. You have to write like this: subject, will, shall, can, modal auxiliary verb with main verb in present tense form. Main verb will come in the present tense formation. Okay, for probable condition, this rule is. Next one, improbable. Improbable condition means the sentence will be in simple past tense. If it is in simple past tense, you have to change like this: subject, would, should, with simple present tense of the main form. Main verb will be in simple present tense. This is for improbable condition. Next one, impossible condition. If it is impossible condition, the sentence formation will be in past perfect. Okay. Here the subject would have, should have with past participle form of the main verb. That is, main verb will be in past participle form. Okay, these are the three conditional classes and I have given these three rules to change the conditional classes. Next we can see the verbs. So here I have given a small chart with verbs. If it is in present tense, past tense and past participle form. So if it is present tense, break. It will be is broke in past tense. In past participle form, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Drive, drew, driven. Fly, flew, flown. Go, went, gone. Hide, hid, hidden. So these are the verb forms, that is action verbs. You have to change in present, past and past participle form. Okay, you have to know more words about this verb formations. So it will be easy to write in the if class to change the main verb. Okay, see the first conditional class. It is probable condition. It tells about possible condition and its probable result in the future. It tells about possible conditions. It may happen or it may not happen. It is possible. Okay. Its result in the future, not now. It will be in the future. So here simple present tense, subject, will, shall with simple present tense of the main verb. Okay. So here I have given examples. See the first sentence. If it rains. Here the verb is in if it rains. Which tense it is? It is present tense only. Okay. Simple present tense. If it rains, we, subject, will, modal auxiliary verb, will cancel the trip. Here also the simple present tense of the verb is given. Okay. Next example. If I have enough time. If I have enough time, have is which tense it is? Present tense only. No. So here simple present tense sentence. If I have enough time, I will exercise. So this formula you have to know thoroughly, then only you can write the sentences. Put the subject, modal auxiliary verb will and the simple present tense of the verb. Next form, if you worked hard. If you work hard, you will pass. If you work hard, you will pass. Next fourth example, if you drop it, it will break. So subject, modal auxiliary verb here, then break broke, broken. So here present tense verb, so it is break. Fifth example, if you come at 7, if you come at 7, we will be ready. Okay, here the tense, see the tense, main verb you have to see, or either auxiliary verbs. You have to find the tense, which tense it is. Then you have to write in the, if it is in present tense verb, you have to change like this by using this rule. So this is clear, I think. It is probable condition. Next we can see about improbable condition. See next form, improbable condition. It tells about unreal or improbable situation now or in the future. Okay, this sentence will be is unreal. Unreal means what? It is not really going to happen. That is, it is not possible. It is impossible. Okay, but the result will be in future only. See the example, you will be having an idea. Simple past tense, the verb improbable sentence means it is, the tense will be in simple past tense in the sentence. So the subject would, should with simple present tense main verb. Main verb will be in simple present tense form. See the first example, if I were a bird. Okay, if I were a bird. This is really possible? No. Yes, if I were a bird. So it is unreal situation. If I were a bird, I could fly in the sky. See the subject, would, should. Modal auxiliary verb. Then fly is the main verb. So here, this formula you have to follow. I could fly in the sky. So it is an unreal situation and its result will be in the future. Next example, if he studied hard. Which tense it is studied? Past tense. Okay, simple past tense. If he studied hard, he might get a very good score. He might get verb. So subject, modal auxiliary verb, main verb in simple present tense. So he might get a very good score. Next one, if I had enough money. Which tense it is had? It is past tense. So simple past tense, the sentence is, if I had enough money, I would buy a new car. I would buy. Verb will be in simple present tense. Okay, so I would buy a new car. See the fourth example, if they were here. They were here. Where is for past tense only, no? So if they were here, they would help her. They would help her. See, I think it's clear. Improbable conditions. Next we can see about impossible condition. See here this impossible condition. See the explanation. The person imagines something. The person imagines something happening which is in fact did not or could not really happen. The person imagines something happening which is in fact did not or could not really happen. Okay, that is a mere imagination only. It's not going to happen at all. If it is like this, the sentence in if clause, if it is like that, you have to change this sentence in this formula by using this rule. Okay, past perfect. If it is impossible condition, it will be in past perfect tense. Okay, so subject would have, should have plus past participle of the main verb. Okay, first example, if you had asked me. See the example, had is for past tense, asked is for perfect. That is past participle form of the verb. Okay, so it is past perfect tense. If you had asked me, I, subject, would have, that is modal auxiliary verb with have, helped me. Past participle form of the main verb. That is, I would have helped you. If you had asked me, I would have helped you. Okay, next example, if he had worked hard. See the tense, had past, worked with ed formation, main verb with ed, that is in past participle form. So it is past perfect tense. If he had worked hard, he would have passed the exam. He would have passed the exam, main verb with ed, past participle form. Next example, if he had bought a car. See here, had bought, buy, bought. Okay, so had bought, perfect tense only. Had bought is past perfect tense. He could have driven it. Drive, drew, driven. Okay, he could have driven it. Okay, these are the three types of conditional clauses. Next we can go on to the topic zero conditional clause. Next condition is zero conditional clause. See here the explanation. It tells about real situation or a general truth. It tells about real situation or a general truth. It reveals the scientific facts. Okay, this zero conditional clauses is the sentence will be related to real situation or in general truth or otherwise in scientific facts. Okay, so this is the zero conditional clause. It contains two simple present verbs. So if clause and main clause will be containing in simple present tense verb formation. The verb will be in simple present tense. See the examples. If ice melts, it becomes water. Okay, it is a general truth. No, if it is ice, it will be melt and it becomes a water. Okay, if ice melts, it becomes water. See the verbs here, both are in present tense verbs. If it rains, the grass get wet. If it rains, the grass get wet. If you go swimming, you get wet. Okay, both in if clause sentence and in main clause sentence, the verb will be in simple present tense form. Zero conditionals or the general truth or real situation based on the scientific facts. So these are the conditional clauses. If you have a clear idea about these three conditional, that is probable, improbable and impossible conditional clause, it will be easy for you to change the sentence. Okay, first identify the tense and then use the rules. Okay, I think I clearly explained you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel JK or Spring Breeze. Thank you for watching.